Now we're going to touch on the Vinny's CEO Sleepout that you just did. Talk us through that. How did that feel like? Did that hit different because of the situation that you came from?
Yeah, it did. So, of course, I was an ambassador for Vinny's Sleepout, and you know, I always like to do things more. I like to do extra. So I did 3 nights out on the streets. I started in Queanbeyan, and then I walked to Fishwick, stayed at Fishwick, walked to Old Parliament House to be a part of the CEO Sleepout. You know, so no money, no food. Had about an hour's sleep. I woke up and I just started crying. One is where I am now, and just how grateful I am for the people that I've got in my life, and my beautiful staff and the team involved with, you know, the growth of our business, but also just reflecting on where I was. Man, it really hit.
You're like a real story.
Yeah, and like, because I've been through ice addiction and you know, dealing with those day-to-day things, it was quite confronting, but look, we raised awareness. It got a lot of recognition around Australia. I got a standing ovation on the CEO Sleepout night. It was just a beautiful moment to be a part of.
Incredible at the same time. Yeah.
And it's not too late to donate.
Yeah, you can still donate. The all of Canberra, we're about $26,000 off reaching $1 million.
Oh my
What?
goodness.
I didn't know it was that much.
Yeah, it's just gone crazy.
Okay, and you'll do another 3 nights if you reach $1 million, right?
Absolutely not.
Oh my God, okay, hold there. We've still got more questions.
Yes.
We've got to get out of the car park.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to touch on real estate now. All right, can you guys tell me a crazy story when it comes to an open home?
We confirm the open time with the tenant, or the inspection time, I should say. And as you do, you get there about 10 minutes earlier.
Got to be prepared,
Got to
right?
be prepared, get the lights set up, and you know, the mood and everything like that. Well, the mood was set. So I opened the door, and the tenant was laying on the lounge naked. And it was very awkward. This is when I first started in real estate too. And I was single, and I didn't ask any other further questions.
So wait, they were expecting you guys to come in.
She knew I was coming, yeah. I seen her out 3 months later, and I just put my head down because I was so embarrassed and shy. And I don't get shy, but it was one of those moments of,
Did you sell that property?
Yeah, I sold it, absolutely. And it was a very good story talking to the buyers
And then you never
as well.
saw her again?
No, I haven't seen her again. No.
All right, moving on, next question. What's the biggest mistake homeowners make when selling?
Yeah, look, the biggest mistake is not preparing their house. There's some circumstances with sellers, they can't afford it, which we can provide that funding for them to really help especially in these times. We always go for 3 Ps: price, promotion, and presentation. You get those 3 Ps right, you're going to capitalise.
There you go. That's great advice.
If I could just say, the difference of getting a house staged. I mean, I work in real estate, and I just bought my first home, which was staged. I saw a very similar apartment in the same complex, not staged. You know, we're vibe people, especially females. We're vibe people. We want to imagine ourselves living there.
Tell us about the market. What's to expect?
Look, we are going to be in for one hell of a ride.
Oh, really?
Look, the market, you know, since April, the reports come out, it's dropped 2.2%. However, like it's decreased a lot more than that.
Oh my goodness.
Buyer activity has dropped dramatically. Listings are starting to dry up. Interest rate rises. They're predicting another 2 this year. So
the interest rates just keep going up.
Because of inflation and everything like that. So, you know, buyers are very cautious. There's a lot of uncertainty, but this is the time, if you're gonna sell, get it on the market now, because come end of year, today's price is going to be far better than if you wait a couple of months' time.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much,
Thanks for having us.
both of you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Johnny, how was your first experience with the wash tunnel?
That wash is amazing.
Told you.
Yeah, it's really different. It's cool. So
amazing. Thank you. Guys, if you love this video, please drop a like and comment, and we'll see you next time.
Perfect.